Okay. Yes. Let's start over.
Okay.
So we're talking about this little line right here.
Right.
Show us how it works. So as you tune it,
as I tune away from the signal,
it
gets
wider.
bigger. But as I tune in the signal, it shrinks. Now, what
a visual indicator of your signal strength.
Signal strength, right? Now,
And
what?
This is from the 30s, but
this is a special one. This is a. What I did is I needed to replace this Philco Shadowgraph Meter, and I didn't. The coil was burnt out in it. The Philco Shadowgraph Meter had a coil.
That's the Shadowgraph meter.
Yes, it's called a Shadowgraph Meter.
Okay.
And it had a coil which with a magnet, and it's basically a voltage meter. So as the signal would get stronger, the voltage would change, and it would move a little what they called a vane in front of a light to project a shadow onto that plastic surface. Okay, but I didn't have a replacement for it.
Yeah.
So what I did was, using an Arduino and a server, I mounted the server beneath the carcass of the Shadowgraph meter and replaced the vane with a little piece of cardboard. And I have the Arduino sampling the AVC voltage and controlling the angle of the servo.
So the Arduino says,
The
as the voltage gets higher,
Right.
of the signal, turn the servo.
Turn the servo.
And
and it causes the shadow to change, just like the original Philco Shadowgraph
with maybe
meter
a
did.
little bit of delay.
A little bit of
turning
delay.
The servo. Can you show us the back again?
Sure. I don't know. Can you see in there?
Yeah. So point out again. What is this?
Okay. So
Where's the Arduino?
So the Arduino's down over here, mounted to the chassis.
Okay.
There's a wire going up to the servo. See this little plastic servo? And the servo's mounted to the case of the old Philco Shadow meter, and it's controlling a little piece of cardboard in there.
So this light is shining through that little hole to display the line, and your servo is going into there, and that's where you're moving the piece of cardboard to make that.
That's right. That's right. So it's basically technology from the
From
modern
the 30s
era
that you've
with a
reimplemented with an
1936
Arduino.
radio or 1934
That's
radio.
awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Very cool.